Hyundai Santa Fe 2017 misfire problem. This is the block. Nothing wrong with the block. Nothing wrong with the pistons. Nothing wrong with the pistons ring. Nothing wrong with the sleeves. This is the cylinder head, and this is what we find out. The exhaust valve is leaking, pressure or compression. Can I change all of them? Can I send it to the machine shop? Make sure the valve seats are fine. This is the bad cylinder right here. Zero compression. This one is low compression. These 1 and 4, they're normal compression, but we can change all the valves and lap all the valve and make sure it's good to go. So if you guys have a Santa Fe, you guys have a misfire problem, 2017 2.4 liter GDI, and the problem's not the coil, the problem's not the injector, you have low compression, probably will be the valves. It's a common problem in these engines. And yeah, thanks for watching. Santa Fe 2017 2.4 liter GDI. Thanks.